गोंय विमानतळार चार्टर हंगाम बरो आसा. गोंय विमानतळान ह्या हंगामात सुमार 348 चार्टर विमान सेवा हाताळली, अशें गोंय विमानतळाचे संचालक धनंजय राव हांच्यांनी सांगलां. RDXGOA खातीर दाबोळच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Previous season, that is, we handled only 39 charters.
Achha, okay.
And total passengers were around 15,000, 14,000 and odd.
International passengers.
Charter passengers.
Charter passengers.
These are all charters,
Okay.
not the international passengers. International passengers are different.
Okay, so
Scheduled aircrafts we are having.
okay, so this is charter.
Other than
passengers.
that,
So the reason that the last season was 39 and this time you are one.
reason maybe that is the time the relief from COVID was there, and the passengers were having still some apprehensions about the COVID. So that was the time it was open for international tourism. So that was the starting point. So that is the reason people were not there that time. But this year we had a good amount of charters and good amount of passengers.
Sir, when we're talking about charters and total number of passengers handled, how many passengers did Goa Airport handle this year or last year?
Yes, this season, this financial year, we have handled around 8.35 million passengers. Whereas the same story. Previously, that was having COVID. So prior to that, we handled around 5.4 million passengers. And this 8.359 is almost we have reached 99.9% of to the previous highest footfall in the pre-COVID era.
So comparatively, the business at Goa Airport is increasing day by day every year.
Yes, we have reached the pre-COVID level. That is an incremental things. Now we expect this year there will be more traffic. We expect more charters will come because now there are no restrictions, and now it is tourists are open. Tourism is open for all the public and international public also. This year the season was very good, and we have handled around 348 international charters.
Achha, okay. And which countries and how many passengers around?
We have handled around 140,000 passengers, both arrival and departure, and we have received the flights from Kazakhstan, that is the Scat Airlines, and from Aeroflot from Russia, Aeronomod from Kyrgyzstan, and Azur Air from Russia, and TUA from UK.